What we're doing right now is we're unboxing a jeweler screwdriver set. It's called Lifegoo. I hope I don't have to say the name too often. Lifegoo. Anyway, let's get at it. So here's the box with the cellophane on it. Get rid of the cellophane. Now, one complaint that I've seen often in the reviews is that it does not open up with both sides showing, and that's true, but I can't see that that's a problem. It does come with a good handle. It has a flexible that's very, very useful when you're in tight spots. It has some extra tools here. These include tools for lifting up your screen from the telephone or your tablet if you're changing the screen of your telephone or tablet. These are very handy. They don't have the little, at least not on this side, they don't have the little guitar picks. Again, another lifter here. There's a small one there. And a little suction cup for holding your screen or pulling it off. Has a protection on it here. These are your tweezers. So as the reviews have pointed out, you do have to close this side to go to the other. And here are your guitar picks, what they call guitar picks. This is for helping you lift your screen off of your tablet. This is the Demagnetizer, demagnetizing this side, magnetizing on this side. Interesting. And all of the different bits. Now, one of the main reasons that I needed this is because I need a number 7 Torx. I thought I had everything, but I don't. I go down to number 8, which is just a little too big. So let's see if the number 7 does the job that we want. First of all, we'll take the handle out. Also has an extender in it, a little extender here. So you have the flex extender and the rigid extender. I'm looking for the Torx number 7, which is right here. Take it out. So this is not 1/4 inch. This is smaller than the regular 1/4 inch, or 6.33 millimeters. Okay, so we got our screw. So it has a nice thick handle on it, which gives me enough leverage to be able to twist out screws that are kind of stuck into place. So we're taking a little closer look at this kit. Something I didn't notice before attached to the suction cup is the little pin for getting your SD card or SIM card out of your telephone. So it's kind of a nice added perk to the kit. Now the other thing is this extender that sits up here is actually designed to go into a quick change. So if you have a quick change on your Makita or whatever drill you have, then this just fits right in here. This is really handy when using any of the sockets, or also any long threads that you're using. So this becomes an adapter for your screwdriver set. You notice how to get this off of here. It's just magnetized, comes straight off, and goes straight in here. So if you're running a long thread, obviously you don't want to use the full strength of this. In fact, I would turn it straight down to a 1 if if you're using the ratchet, which you should be using. And then it's very handy for running long threads in whatever job you're doing. So in case you were wondering about this magnetizer, demagnetizer, do you use it with this? The answer is no. I'll show you why. In here, and in here, and in here, and in all of the shafts where it holds the bits, the bit is held in by a permanent magnet that's here inside. If you demagnetize that, then your bit's going to fall out on its own. So you don't use the magnetizer, demagnetizer on this. Where you do use it is on your regular screwdriver or on a jeweler's screwdriver. Just to illustrate it, this is my electrician's screwdriver. Nothing. At the bottom it says magnetizer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this back and forth a few times, and the magnetizer now it is magnetized. If I need to demagnetize it, same thing at the top. Rub it a few times and it's demagnetized. Very handy when you're using jeweler screwdrivers. If you need to focus a screw down into something, you magnetize it. Now, when you put your screw on it, and you're going down into something, it stays into place. So that's desirable, but then sometimes you need to have it demagnetized for different things, electronics. So again, demagnetize, and try as you will, it won't stay. So that's what this is for. It is not to be used on these bits. So I'll show you the list. It'll be on the, if you look down below, you will see the complete list of what bits are in here. This gives you a bit of a visual. Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.